I am going to show you how to replace a compressor in the refrigerator. The customer complained that the refrigerator is not cooling. Let's test this refrigerator. We will first test its electricity to check whether the compressor is starting or not. I am connecting the probes of the multimeter with the compressor electric panel. Now let's pass electricity into the refrigerator. As I plugged in the switch, I turned it off from the thermostat. Now I will switch the thermostat back. The compressor started and turns off from the overload. The electricity is passing through the refrigerator, but the compressor is tripped. It means the compressor has a problem, as the load passes through it. It trips. Now I will replace it with a new compressor. Clean all these copper pipes. It has 4 tubes in this refrigerator. And clean it using sandpaper. It is easier to weld the clean copper tubes with the compressor. And no leakage will be left in the pipes while welding them. I have cut its charging line, through which we will charge gas later. I cut it to make the gas out of the refrigerator. Now I will remove the compressor from the refrigerator. Using a wet cloth for the refrigerator to protect the body from any damage while welding the pipe tubes. you in the next one. Watch our next videos by clicking on the left or right thumbnail on the screen. Thank you. Subscribe. It's free.